Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to do answers to exercise questions. Statistics, exercise 14.1. First problem. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Number of plants, number of houses. 0 to 2, number of houses 1, 2 to 4 2, 4 to 6 1, 6 to 8 5, 8 to 10 6, 10 to 12 2, 12 to 14 3. Basing this question, we have to draw a table like this: number of plants, class interval, number of houses, F5, like this. We have to write these rows like columns, two columns. Here we have smaller numbers only, that's why we have to use direct method to find mean. To find mean, the direct method formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So this is the formula. First we have to find xi class marks. Class marks means mid value, average of the class. 0 plus 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are 1. Next onwards, we can add the length of the height of the class. Height of the class h is equal to 2 minus upper boundary minus lower boundary. H is equal to upper boundary minus lower boundary. 2 minus 0 is equal to. So that's why we have to add this height of the class for this to find next mid value class mark. Plus 2 3. So this is the class 2 mid value. Plus 2 5. This is third. Plus 2 7. Plus 2 9. Plus 2 11. Plus 2 13. So sufficient this 4 5 6 7. There are 7 classes. 1 3 5 7 9 11 13. Next FIXI. FIXI means product of frequencies into mid values. So 1 ones are 1, 2 threes are 6, 1 fives are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 6 nines are 54, 2 11s are 22, 13 threes are 39. So in this we have to find sigma FIXI. Sigma FIXI. That's why we have to add this. 1 plus 6 7, 12, 17, 21, 23, 32. 3 plus 3, 6, 8, 13, 16, 162. So this is summation Fi xi. Next we have to find summation Fi. Summation, here we have Fi. Summation Fi is equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 9, 15, 17, 20. So we have here summation Fi xi is equal to 162 and summation Fi 20. Using these values we can find mean. We have to substitute the values in this formula. 162 by 20 divide with 2. 2 8s, 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 zeros is equal to 81 by 10. Here we have point. For whole number has on right side point. To divide by 10 we have to shift the decimal to the left by one place. So that's why x bar is equal to 8.1. So this is the answer. Question number 2. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees here given. These are class intervals. Number of workers here given, second row. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Here we have bigger values, bigger observations. That's why we have to use deviation method. To find mean using deviation method, first we have to prepare using this question like this column, class intervals, first column, number of workers, second column. Next we have to find class marks. First we have to know the deviation method formula. Deviation method. Formula for deviation method: x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So this is the formula. Deviation method formula. First class marks. How to find class marks? Average of this class 200 by 250 by 2, that is called 450 by 2. 2 2s, 2 2s, 2 5s, 2 1s. So x is equal to 225. 225 is the class mark of first class. The length of the class is, height of the class is equal to upper boundary minus lower boundary. Upper boundary 25, or we can take upper limit, difference of upper limit, lower limit 250 minus 200. So height of the class 50. To find next class mark, we have to add 50, 275 plus 50, 325 plus 50, 375 plus 50, 425. This is class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. 225, 275, 325, 375, 425. Next deviation d is equal to xi minus a. This method is called assumed method, also assumed mean method. Here we have to take mid value, a assuming number, middle of the number, any number we can take assuming number. Generally we have to take middle number. This is assumed number, assumed value. So a is equal to 325, x minus 325, d is equal to x minus 325. Here we will get 0. Next here x 275, 275 minus 325, 0, 12, 7, 5 minus 50 will come, minus 50. We understood here minus 100 on up 50, 100 will come. Using this formula we can find these values. Without using this formula also we can, smaller decreasing side we have to keep minus signs, increasing side we have to keep plus signs, plus 50, plus 100. The height of the class we have to increase, decrease, increase. That you have to understand. So next fi di, here fi, here di. 12 into hundreds, 1200, but here minus 1200. 14 5s are 70, 700 minus 700. 8 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, so 300. 10 hundreds are 1000. Here these are minus numbers. 1900 minus 1900. These are plus numbers. 1300. Subtracting these difference of these numbers, 19, 13. Minus 600 will come, minus 600. This is summation sigma fi di is equal to minus 600. So in this formula we have a is equal to 325 and sigma fi di, how much, minus 600 and sigma fi already given 50 workers, so summation of fi 50 sigma fi 50. So we have to substitute these values in this deviation method formula. X bar is equal to A is 325 plus minus 600 by 50. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 1 balance, 5 twos are. So minus 12, 5 ones are. 325 minus 12 is equal to 325 minus 12, 3 1 3, 313. This is the mean. Question number 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency F. Here given daily pocket allowance in rupees. Second row, number of children. 11 to 13 rupees allowance, 7 members, 7 children. 13 to 15, 6 children. 15 to 17 rupees, 8 children, 9 children, like this given. First we have to arrange these rows as columns like this. This is first one class interval, second one frequency. This class mark xi, and also find fi xi. Using direct method, xi is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. We can solve this problem. Here fi, summation of fi we can calculate 7, 13, 22, 35, 40, 44. This we can't add in this. 44 plus f, we have to write like this, 44 plus f. Next to class marks, average of this first class, 11 plus 13 by 2, 24 by 2, 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 twos, 12. So 12 is the class mark. Next onwards, the height of the class is 2. We can check like this, 13 minus 11 or 13 minus 11, 2. 2, 14. We have to add for this 2, 2, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Next to fi xi, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 8, 84, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 8, 84. Next to 9 6 are 54, 9 1s are 9, 14, 144, 13 8s are 104, 13 8s are 104, 13 1s are 13, 23. So f 20, f in 20, 20 f, but we can't add in this. This is separate. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 11, 4 4 the 16, 4 2 the 8, 9. Now we have to add 6 plus 0, 6, 10, 14, 4, 18, 22, 22, 11, 12, 14, 18, 26, 26, 34, once again 88, 16, 20, 23, 24, 33, 35, 3, 4, 6, 7, 752. This is the sigma fi xi plus 20 f. Now we have to substitute in this. Here given allowance already given, mean x bar is equal to 18 rupees is given. Now we have found sigma fi xi, also found 752 plus 20f. Sigma fi is equal to 44 plus f. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. X bar 18 is equal to 752 plus 20 f by 44 plus f. Cross and cross multiply. 752 plus 20 f is equal to 18 into 44 plus f. 18 4s are 72, 18 4s are 72, 18 4s are 72, 79 plus 18 1s are 18 f. So on LHS 752 plus 20 f. We have to transpose variables left side, constant terms right side. While transposing, those signs will change. 20f plus minus 18f is equal to 792 plus 752 minus 752. 20 minus 18, 2f is equal to 2 minus 2, 0, 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 7, 0. So f is equal to 40 by 20, 21 the 22s. Therefore f is equal to 2. So this is the answer.